Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your MacBook Air. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and factory reset your MacBook Air. Maybe you're getting rid of it. Maybe you want to free up space. Maybe you just want it to seem like it's brand new again. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the Apple icon on the top left, then click on System Settings. Now, on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on General, and then where it says Transfer or Reset, click on this button here, and it's going to go ahead and click on Erase All Content and Settings. So once you do so, just simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to completely reset your MacBook Air. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your MacBook Air. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.